Hi, I'm Jeannie Lee from Kerfkore, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to combine Kerfkore with non-kerfed materials. Since we can laminate Kerfkore in a flat position, it makes it very easy to combine different materials. This is great for when you need a bend in a very specific spot while leaving the rest of the board flat. Now let's get started. As you can see, we have a flat piece of Kerfkore on the table with the face material side up. We will position the non-kerfed boards on each side, leaving 1/8 of an inch spacing between the pieces for a seamless transition. We are using 1/8 of an inch piece of hardboard to create the spacing. When we create the spacing here, we also want to make sure that the surfaces are aligned. Next, we're going to apply the Wilson Art high pressure laminate over the entire curved and non-curved surface. We'll clean the surfaces with a tack cloth and apply adhesive to all the faces. For more guidance on the adhesive application process, check out the Kerfkore lamination video. We've applied our adhesive and now we can place our laminate over the surfaces. If you have some extra laminate hanging off the edges, that's completely okay because we can trim it later at the end for a clean finish. Now that the laminate is in place, we can take our J-roller with moderate pressure to adhere the laminate to the surfaces. Now that the laminate is fully adhered to the Kerfkore panel, we are ready to add the finishing touches. Using a hand router and a flush trim bit, remove any of the unwanted laminate from the edges, just like you would any other laminated board. Now that the laminate has been trimmed flush, we have a finished piece ready for installation. And the best part is, no Bondo or sanding was required. Thanks for watching, and check out our website and YouTube channel for more how-to videos on our other flexible and lightweight products.